This is the Desert Biome by Caden Benedict and Justin Rath. And we did the Mojave Desert.
Alright, so the climate in the Mojave Desert is subtropical. It has extreme changes in temperature. There's about 3 to 5 inches of rainfall every year. The average temperature is about 86 degrees, and there's strong winds. And it's located in southwest USA.
These are the biotic and abiotic factors of the Mojave Desert, starting with the coyote is a carnivore, desert tortoise is a herbivore, jackrabbit is a herbivore, and a pupfish is a herbivore. Those are just common things found in the Mojave Desert. And the abiotic is sand, sunlight, water, which is hard to find, but there still is water occasionally, and wind.
Alright, so these are the trophic levels, starting off with the third trophic level, which are secondary consumers. An example is carnivores. The second trophic level, which have primary consumers. An example are herbivores. And then there's the first trophic level, which are primary producers, and those are like plants such as cactuses in the desert.
This is an example of an energy pyramid, starting with the grass, then transfers to the mouse, then to the second primary consumers, or the secondary consumers, to the tertiary, or the carnivores. Then here's a typical food chain with the hawk getting its energy from the snake, snake getting its energy from the mouse getting its energy from the plants.
Alright, so this is me and Caden signing off. Apparently 100 years have passed by now and aliens have taken over. Things are not going good around here. Aliens have taken over and depleted us of normal levels of oxygen, and higher sulfur levels have been seen. Estuaries, bogs, and lakes have been contaminated with oils and chemical pollution due to the alien ship pollution. The alien visitors have been cutting down our trees to use for resources. Therefore, deforestation has taken its toll on forests and woodlands. Grasslands and savannas have been drying. Fires have destroyed several habitats. The tundra has been wiped clear due to deforestation and drought. As you can see, things are not going good. So some adaptations that these animals in the desert can have are the animals living in plants such as cactuses will need to find another habitat because cactuses will not be there after the aliens. Another adaptation is animals will need to find more successful hunting techniques due to the limited resources. The third is some animals need to be omnivorous like the coyote so they can eat plants and meat due to some plants might not be available. The fourth one is the animals will need to adapt to the polluted air to survive because the air is polluted by the alien ships and all that. And the last one is most organisms and plants in the desert won't need to adapt to a water-free environment because it's always like that in the desert.
Alright, and the precinct team we're going to need to change this to help support the Mojave Desert. We need to use the remaining soil, if any, to grow some crops to help restore some food sources. And we make temporary homes with non-polluted air so the organisms can resupply and strengthen the population. Planting trees will provide habitats for multiple organisms, so planting trees will be a key part to it. And limit vehicles so we won't add to the pollution.
Hopefully this advice by the precinct team will be able to help restore the human race. And
lastly, here's where the Mojave Desert is located. As you see, it was located in the southwest part of the United States. And this is Caden and Justin signing off.